Miami Association of Realtors presents South Florida OpenHouseSearch.com. Our Miami members asked for it, and now you have a website completely dedicated to your open houses all across South Florida. Consumers all across Florida, the United States, and around the world can now search for open houses 7 days a week, 24 hours a day. They can search by address, city, zip code, price, by date, or on the map. Visit SouthFloridaOpenHouseSearch.com. The consumer comes in, clicks on location or dates or price, selects their criteria, clicks to view listings, the map takes them to the area, and they can easily click and see through the ones in the area they're interested in. Scroll down and find the open houses. Click through to get details. See the listing agent, ask for more information, the beautiful pictures, property description, and so much more. South Florida OpenHouseSearch.com, now available and ready for use. Visit our offices and find our gorgeous flyer with information. Coming soon, a big announcement. In September, our first South Florida Open House Weekend, September 15th and 16th. Watch for the big announcement. Remember, always more with Miami Realtors. Thank you for being a Miami member.